Ohayo, gininayo, pabasa tayo. From Nancy Fernandez Mencero, kasto ito gininana. Ading istorya man ti panagam amuyo ginilakay mo. Alright. Kitantay, nilakay ko malang yun. Loves, how we met.
December 9th for me, December 10th for her.
Online, 2018,
Yeah, to the Philippines in February.
February.
And then I
And
went to the Philippines again in August of that
February,
2009.
our first meeting, you already give me engage.
Yeah,
Very fast.
very fast. Happy doing that.
First meeting and then you're mine. And then actually when we chat, it's my first time to chat. Apit tayo English. Nag-chat kami nga non-stop. 8 hours, almost 8 hours, right, loves? And then
12.
At 12 hours, chatting non-stop. And then, every day, morning and night, we chat na non-stop. And I told to myself, oh, this is it. This is the right, Mr. Right for me. And this is my soul. Mutot kami. How about you, loves? When you first see me, how you attract?
Oh, you were sexy, baby.
That's why you like me, because I'm sexy.
Because I was going to the Philippines.
To see it's real.
Huh? To see if it was real.
Real.
We had to make sure you were of age.
If I'm not sexy, you don't like me.
It's not that. No.
The
That's
way-
what attracted me, right?
You attracted you. And the way we talked before, how you did you tell to yourself, can I trust this girl or something?
We had to meet, right? To make
Yeah.
sure you're authentic Filipina.
Am I authentic?
Yeah.
There is other term of why American likes Filipina.
But
Exotic. Am I exotic to your eyes?
no.
Just like exotic food. Oh my God.
My goodness.
And then when you first, okay, Ninana, when you first saw me, what did you say to yourself? She's ugly in person like that.
No. Babe, no. I said, yes.
It feels like you win lotto.
Yeah.
You say it,
What?
What do you
You
feel?
said it.
What? Because I'm going to edit that one. When you first saw me,
Oh, it feels like I won lotto.
I won lotto. Same loss. I won lotto.
That's right, you did.
Yeah. Yes, I am. I'm so lucky and blessed. That finally, I got the perfect man.
Oh, I wouldn't
Right.
say that.
Right man. Right man for me.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yes. For us, yes.
Yeah. And this is our fruit of love. Look at. Oh.
Yes.
Takil nga again. Come here. Uy. Our fruit of love. What are you looking for there? Okay, Ninan.